Right, we're back again. This time we've got a bit of Pergo's place. We've got another tail shaft we're putting out, a spare one over there, thanks to Pergo. So let's check it out and get it into the car. So this is what we got. We've got one, you can see the bend there, a bit straighter than the other one. Pergo's used the yoke off this one, so we're going to have to get that off and put that onto the new tail shaft. The colour of that, she's pretty cruddy. Right, let's try this one. Oh, there we go. There's that out. Right, that's a start. Let's see if we figure out the rest of it. Right, back on this side. See if this one will come out now. Oh, there we go. That is out. Right. So look at this one. It looks like maybe just take these out. Little bearings in there. Right, we'll see if we can get it to come out. Yep, so we've got a socket in there. I'm not going to film much of this. This is the idea. Just going to knock it through. Something like that. We'll get that sorted. We'll be back in a second. Right, so sort of set that together. Just got to do the same as you got the part. Knock it down. I'll do this two-handed, but you get the idea. And we'll be back when it's together. Just use a tip when you're going back together. It's a bit dark in here. You got to put a socket at the bottom and a socket at the top, so you can push it all together inside there. Because if that's just on a flat surface, it only goes as far as flush. So if you got something on both sides, that will send it home. It's gonna be tough one-handed. We're going to get our little clips back in. Oh, there's one in. There we go. That's one in. Turn him over. We'll get a second clip. So we might give that a quick clean. It's a bit, how you going? Get a second clip in. Give him a quick tap. Make sure you can seat it in properly. And there we go, look at that. Now we've got a tail shaft ready to go in the car. There's 4 bolts. I might quickly whack that in tonight, and then tomorrow, if the weather's alright, we'll take it outside and degrease the bottom of the engine. See where that oil's coming from. There you go, there's one of the major issues from the crash. Bent tail shaft sorted thanks to Pergo. Supplying a new tail shaft to another tail shaft. Get some white paint out at some stage, paint it up. And we'll check them nuts and bolts again after a couple of times moving it. What we're going to do, I reckon, righty. Check. Check tail shafts, that should remind us to do that some stage before we repaint the car. Righto. There you go, it's a quick one for today, something I've never done before. A DIY U-joint change. But we've got the different, the new tail shaft in, it's ready to go. We've got it painted up. So tomorrow, depending on where it's going, the next couple of days anyhow, we might find some degreaser, spray the bottom of the motor, take it outside, get a bit of hose, see if we can find where that oil's coming from. Anyhow, until then, we'll see you next time.